Hey guys, I'm Jay with ECS Tuning, and today we're going to be installing our very own ECS Hood Strut Conversion Kit for the Volkswagen Mark 8 GTI and Golf R. We're going to be installing this on our shop Golf R, and it's a really simple job. All you need is a closed-end 13mm wrench, a 13mm socket, and a ratchet. So let's get started. All right, like I said, this is a really simple job. To get started, you just want to remove a little bit of the hood insulator. You take your ball stud that comes with the kit and washer, and the second washer and nut. All right, there's a pre-existing hole here where you're going to put your ball stud through with one washer. It helps to have the other washer in place so that you can get it on there easily. And then you'll take the provided nut and thread it onto the ball stud. Make sure you do not drop it in the hood. Once you've got the nut kind of threaded on there, you'll use your closed end 13mm wrench, secure it on that nut, then use your 13mm to tighten down the ball stud. I get that nice and snug. You don't want to over tighten it because you don't want to bend the hood. But that's on there pretty good. So now our ball stud is installed. Then the second ball stud you'll use is already on the car. Now we'll just clip our strut onto the ball studs and it's installed. Now all that's left is just to remove the OEM hood prop. And last, we'll just remove the hood prop clip. Just a heads up, it's very likely this will break when you remove it because it's just plastic. All right, we got that out, and luckily it did not break. So there you have it, the ECS Hood Strut Conversion Kit for the Mark 8 GTI and Golf R. You can find a link for this product down in the description. Quick note, just make sure you put your hood insulator back in place, and like, comment, subscribe, and come back for more enthusiast content.